guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my top 5 beauty finds from medical stores in India. I've already done a video on this topic which I'm gonna leave linked in the description box below in case if you wanna check it out. So before I begin with today's video and show you all of the products that I have on my list, I just want to give credits to Shweta Vijay who came up with this concept for the first time. I was really inspired by her and that's why I've already created like 2 videos on this topic, and my third script is already in progress, so you're gonna see another video super soon. All of these products are tried and tested and they perform really well, and you can also multitask with some of these products. So without any further ado, let me quickly share with you all of the products that I have on today's list. So the first product that I have is this UV2IR sunscreen. UV2 stands for both ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays, and IR stands for infrared radiation of the sun. So this gives you complete sun protection against UVA, UVB and IR rays. This contains SPF 50, which is an amazing amount of sun protection. Now this is a medicated sunscreen. This was recommended to me by my dermat, and this is a sunscreen that's not gonna break you out no matter how acne prone your skin is. I have very acne prone skin and most of the products break me out, but this one did not. Even if you have sensitive skin, this is still gonna be very gentle for your skin and it is gonna suit your skin because it's a medicated product. So this retails somewhere around like 700 rupees for 50 grams. The second product on my list is this Globin G cream. Now this is an antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial cream. This is one of those creams that you generally apply on your skin for basically all of the issues, like if you get any nicks or cuts, or if you get any skin burns, or if you get bumps on your skin, rashes, or no matter what happens to your skin, you can apply this. It's gonna heal your skin in absolutely no time. Even for insect bites, you can apply this. It's gonna heal your skin, soothe it in absolutely no time. So this is one of those creams which is multi-purpose, and trust me, I've used a lot of creams like this, but this is the best one that I've ever tried. It works really fast. It's very gentle even for sensitive skin like mine. So no matter what skin problem you have, you can apply this. We generally have around like 5 to 6 tubes at home lying around here and there, but they're always empty because that's how much we use them. And this is like really affordable. This retails around 100 rupees for 15 grams of product. The third product on my list is not gonna come as a surprise to you all because I've already spoken about this product so much on my channel. This is Lactocalamine lotion. Now I have been using this for years, ever since my school days. I used to break out a lot back then in school and I used to apply this all over my face, and this used to help me with my acne breakouts. All of the pimples that I used to get back in school, none of them left any marks on my skin, and it's only because of this product. It helps to fade away acne marks, any scars, any burn marks or any kind of discoloration that you have on your skin, be it fresh marks or be it old marks. It works on all sorts of marks. In fact, one of my cousins also used this post getting chickenpox, and all of the chickenpox marks were removed from her body with the help of this. So this is amazing to deal with marks on your skin, with discoloration on your skin. However, this is a little drying formulation wise, so if you have oily skin or normal skin, only then you can use this. This is the smallest size and it retails for rupees 70 for 30 ml of product. The fourth product on my list is not so much of a beauty product but sort of a dental product. This is Hexi Gel. It's an antiseptic mouth gel, and any sort of problems that you have inside your mouth, you can use this for that. 2 or 3 years ago when I had my braces on, the braces kind of used to create a lot of friction with the skin inside my mouth and create all of these rashes and chalas and all of that, and this helped me a lot during that time. I would just apply this on all of the rashes and all of the cuts, and this would instantly provide that cooling sort of a menthol sort of an effect on it, and calm things down, reduce the burning, and soothe my skin on that particular area. And within just like 1 or 2 days, the rash or the cut would heal completely. So that is how effective this is. It is edible, however I don't recommend you like keep licking it or keep eating it, but even if it goes inside your stomach, it's okay. So if you get a lot of cuts or rashes or ulcers in your mouth, you can definitely try this product. It's super duper effective for that. This retails somewhere around 50 rupees for 15 grams of product. The fifth and the last product on my list is this Mycoderm Seed Powder. Now this gives your skin instant relief against so many problems. It's also useful for fungal infections on your skin. If you have excessive sweatiness, then you can apply this. You can also use this on diaper rashes, or if you have a lot of itchiness or skin irritation going on, you can apply this to soothe your skin. You can also use this on mosquito bites or other insect bites. This helps to calm your skin down. The fragrance of this is sort of like a sandalwood fragrance, and this is basically an antifungal dusting powder, so you can apply this for a lot of skin conditions to instantly give your skin some sort of relief and soothing. Now again, I've used a lot of dusting powders for so many problems, but this is the best one that I've ever used. This works fastest, it's the gentlest, and it helps to solve most of the skin problems immediately. So if you sweat a lot and you get a lot of rashes on your intimate areas like under your arms or between your legs or anywhere, you can dust this off over there after a bath or like before changing your clothes or something, and this is going to provide instant relief and instant soothing and an instant refreshing feel to your skin. This is very affordable. It retails only for ₹99 for 100 grams of product. So those were my top 5 beauty products from medical stores in India. If you haven't checked out the part 1 of this video, the link is in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Also, if you know of any beauty products from medical stores that really work well, then comment down below so that I can also try them out. Also, I'm gonna come up with the part 3 of this video super soon, so make sure that you keep an eye out for that. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.